Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Sylvia here, and today we're unboxing and reviewing the latest smartphone that everyone's been talking about. If you love tech reviews, unboxings, and all things gadgets, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest videos from me. Alright, let's dive right in and see what's inside the box. First up, we have the phone itself. Wow, look at that sleek design. We've got the usual suspects here: charging cable, power adapter, and a quick start guide. Now let's talk about the phone itself. This new model comes with a highlight the key features like screen size, display type, camera specs, etc. The display is absolutely stunning. Describe resolution, brightness, smoothness. Perfect for watching videos, editing photos, and multitasking. And let's talk about the camera. This smartphone has mentioned megapixel count, number of lenses, and any standout features like night mode or AI enhancements. The camera really delivers, especially in highlight a feature, such as low light performance, portrait mode, or video stabilization. Definitely a solid choice for anyone who loves taking photos or creating content on the go. So, after spending some time with this phone, my overall impressions are really positive. It's fast, stylish, and packed with features that will appeal to both casual users and tech enthusiasts alike. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you found this unboxing and review helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss any of my future reviews. See you next time. Yim.